Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get a processor or a powerful blender. Put in 2 cups of dried apricots. Put in 2 cups of desiccated coconut. Now blend or process this on high or just as a pulse. Just keep pulsing it until you get a nice paste. Now when you get this out, just roll into a big giant ball, then grab some, depends on how big you want these, and just roll this straight into a ball. Then dip in some coconut. Just put half a cup to a cup of coconut in a separate bowl, plate. There you go. These are so yummy.
Simple cooking channel.